Hi friends, this is the spelling test for Unit 28. Make sure your name is on your paper and let's begin. Word number 1, try. Try your very best to write neatly. Try. Number 2, lady. The lady in front of us at the stoplight had a dog in her car. Lady. Number 3, sky. The sky was beautiful at sunrise this morning. Sky. Number 4, fly. It is much quicker to fly places than it is to drive. Fly. Number 5, baby. The puppy was just a baby. Baby. Number 6, pray. When someone is sick, you should pray they feel better. Pray. Number 7, spy. It is fun to spy on your children. Spy. Number 8, play. Can we play kickball at recess? Play. Number 9, pony. For her birthday, she wanted a pony. Pony. Number 10, cry. If she didn't get a pony for her birthday, she would cry. Okay, that completes your 10 spelling words. There are 3 dictation sentences. Sentence number 1. The lady will pray for the pony to win the race. Make sure you get all of those words written for your sentence. Let me read it to you again. The lady will pray for the pony to win the race. Sentence number 2. The baby bird will try to fly in the sky. Sentence number 3. Will you play a spy game with me? Okay, that completes the spelling words and dictation sentences for Unit 28.